Hello guys, welcome to another RV campsite video. We are at the Barton Lake Jellystone Campground. It is in the far northeastern tip of Indiana, right at the crossroads of I-69 and Interstates 80-90. And we're up here because we came to the Wild Winds Buffalo Preserve, and that is in another video, so be sure you check that one out. But today we're gonna go on a tour of the campsite. So we're gonna go inside and we're gonna go through everything that they have here. It is a very large campground, at least by our meager estimations. And so we're gonna go check it out. Come on, let's go. Be sure to like and subscribe if you wanna see some more of our RV trips and our campsite tours. Make sure you hit the notification bell and you'll know every time we upload something new. We also have tons of regular travel content, family, lifestyle content. So make sure you come along with us and subscribe and hang out with us for our journeys. For now, let's head inside the Jellystone. The first place you'll come to is the registration desk. We were late arrivals. Ooh, they opened the gate for me. We were late arrivals, and so we had to do the after hours check-in, which was fine. They just have a box there on the front, on the side of the building for us to check in. We had an envelope with our name on it, and we just found our site by ourselves, and then we came back in the morning to fully register and get our wristbands. So this is the main drag. As you come in, you'll see some campsites, but also you'll get your first row of cottages, nicer, larger cabins, and then straight ahead is a playground. There's Yogi Bear himself. So over here we have a couple of large water slides. They are not open yet. We are here the weekend just before Memorial Day 2023. So this stuff is not quite open yet. Next weekend officially starts everything, but it actually was a good weekend for us to come. So here we are. They have a volleyball pit, gaga ball, and a playground. And then let's do a little walking tour. I'll show you what else they have. Of course, every Jellystone we've ever been to or seen has a jumping pillow. Lots of playgrounds throughout. Looks like the jumping pillow is not open yet. There's more of the cottages as we walk along. And then on the other side of the jumping pillow, you'll see their big splash pad. I'll show you that in a little bit when we get around the corner, but it's all really compact here right in the main circle. But this is their jumping pillow. Doo-doo-doo. Kids always have a fun time here. Let's keep walking. Just down the road a little bit, right before the ranger station, is the Three Bears Lodge, which I'm assuming is a house, a larger, cottage cabin that you could rent for large groups. I am not sure, but that is here and it's labeled. And just through there you can start to see the lake. Paddle boats and canoes and kayaks are for rent, and we'll get down there in a second. And just past the jumping pillow is a putt-putt course, mini golf, all with the Yogi Bear theme. You'll see Yogi Bear all throughout the whole park, just like most Jellystones, and Yogi Bear himself, along with his crew, come along and have actual costumed characters out and about for meet and greets every now and then. But here is the mini golf course. Mini golf, complete with water features and all the Yogi characters. I think as it gets hotter in the summer, they'll put up a lot of these umbrellas and canopies. They also have gem mining, that big silo up there in the top. You can do the gem mining. You can buy the buckets inside and then sift through them. You can rent golf carts here, and it's definitely, I think, recommended if you're not staying in kind of this main central area. They have golf cart parking, golf carts only right out here. Again, we are here just before everything is open, so the water features are not working today, but you can at least see where they are and where they would be if you come here at any other point in the summer. Family pool, lounge pool, activity pool, and splash pad, all back through here. And now we've made it to the ranger station. Inside, they have a little cafe. You can order drinks and ice cream and probably more food as it gets a busier season. But they've also got all of your camp gear, all of their, swag and sweatshirts and themed items as well. You can get your firewood, anything you might need while you're camping, ice, etc. We're gonna go inside the ranger station. All their Jellystone stuff. And then they've got their little snacks, anything you may need, necessities, medicine, condiments, cookies, dessert, drinks, chips. You can go fishing. Here, there is a lake. Here's some of your grill out necessities. Obviously campsite stuff. Kids section, plenty of toys. Keep them busy if you forgot to pack something. Junior Ranger Jellystone Park. You need your Yogi Bear stuffy. And this one's a backpack. $25 for the Yogi backpack. Ooh, these are kind of nice. Little zip up. $49.95. Here is the Boo Boo Cafe. Like I said, they have snacks, drinks, nachos, pizza, etc. Ice cream. Back here is where you can eat. This is where they have dining. But you can see the lake. It's a nice little view here to sit. Here is the pool a little bit closer. You do have to have wristbands when you come, so make sure you get those when you check in. That just proves that you're meant to be here. There's a larger pool behind. Here's a little kiddie splash pad. The larger splash pad is over to the back. This room right here is relatively new. It still smells new when you walk inside, like new construction, but this is the arcade. I think my kids are inside, so let's go check it out. arcade. It looks like it's under construction still. That looks like they're going to have a snack bar back here, but it's not ready yet.
Stop. Wait. Here. All right. See if you can get one. Hit the button. Oh.
Everything is digital here. You can order your cards, pay for your, tokens, and then you turn them in.
Automatically knows on your card. It just puts it on your card.
You turn these in, and here is your. This is how you check out. This is how you redeem your tickets. No human being needed. All right, so there's the arcade. And then outside here, you can rent the pedal cars or just have them. I'm gonna go inside and double check if anything costs. There's another little playground to the back. It's got like some trains and a slide. Also, they have a little trolley system that will go throughout. It's not really meant for transportation or to like take you to places, but it's just to kind of tour around. There's a little orange train that you can ride. A little trolley will go. And then back through here, this is something I didn't know about. They have a solarium. They have an indoor pool for when it is too cold, like it was for us yesterday, we could still go swimming. So pack your swimsuits, even if you think it's gonna be a cold weekend, because they have an indoor pool. And it was pretty cozy and warm in there while we were in there yesterday. She said inside that the pedal cars are for rent for each half an hour. It's $5 for a single car. I think she said $10 for a car that seats 2 and $12 for a car that seats 4. You have to go inside and they put a little flag on so they know that you've actually paid. And the mini golf is included, so that is not a fee for that. Let's keep going. As we keep going past the ranger station, farther into the campsite, we just passed all the pool and water features, but we are coming up on more cabins and more RV campsites. They have various different styles of, campsites, all the way from your single back ends to like double and I think triple buddy sites, so you can come with your friends and your family and all camp in the same area. They even have tent camping, and then of course you can rent cabins as well. And then all spaced throughout, there are still these playgrounds, so you don't have to walk to the main center of everything to go be on the playground. But there are tons more spots. There are some activity centers. That's like the arts and crafts area. As we get back in here farther, you will see, we'll come around this way, we can go, you'll see there's a lake. They have these comfort stations, so obviously if you need to take a shower, bathroom, if you do not have a camper or a cabin that has that. But here are here's how close you are to the water, or how close you could be. Obviously some of these people stay for a long time. And they set up permanent residence here, or semi-permanent, but here is the lake. Just a little corner of it, but you can canoe, kayak, paddle boat. I even see a pontoon over there, but I don't know if that's for rent or not. It may be. They do have all those things available for rent as well for an additional charge on top of your site fee. Obviously every site has a different amount. Check out their website for all the latest updates and all that. Looks like new construction here. Nice little covered patios. There is another playground area, a little pond in the middle. There's even that cute little suspension bridge that you can see. And we're coming up on more lakefront. There down here are some more smaller primitive cabins. Those don't even look like they have air conditioning. And then down here at this little pond is some tent camping. Here is another pavilion for parties, lunch, hanging out, activities, arts and crafts. They fill your day. If you do not want to leave the campsite, you do not have to. They have tie-dye, dance parties, glow parties, all kinds of things and crafts that you can do throughout your stay. Another section of cabins. They're pretty cute, little log cabins. And then now we're back to the other side of all the water features. There is one of the pools, all the pool areas, it's all gated in. And we're about to pull up to our campsite. Here we are. Finally broke out the camper for the week. First time this year. So this is our site for the weekend. We are site 531, just for reference, and we are right next door to all of the fun. I chose a pretty close spot because I didn't know how big the space was going to be. But we are really convenient. So 531 is a nice little spot. We like it anyway. Pull through spot with a gravel pad. And here is a better look at the splash pad. Family pool. And this looks like an amazing splash pad. Here is some perspective. And there are cabanas that can also be rented for the hot months, so you have some shade. There is the large water slide. Looks like they have two main slides. It looks like they have stuff, you know, for all ages. They have the smaller splash pad over behind the mini golf, and then this larger area for kiddos behind the jumping pillow. And then of course, if you're really daring and you want to go down the water slides, you can. If there's nobody in here, let's check out a comfort station. So inside the comfort station, it looks like you've got some changing rooms, sink, and bathrooms. No showers in the regular comfort stations. So this is a comfort station with showers. Just wanted to show you that really quick. Pretty basic, but you can get your showers, especially if you're tent camping. But there you go, a little place to change, and a little single shower. Well, there you have it. There is our walking and driving tour of the Barton Lake Jellystone Campground in Fremont, Indiana. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it answered most of your questions and you got to see everything that you wanted. Hope that you come visit. We like the Jellystones. There's tons of stuff to do, and the kids get nice and tired, so they sleep well. So thanks for watching. Again, hit like and subscribe, and we will see you again next time. Bye.